Hi dear students, welcome you all to another session of Brainiac's Doubt Clearance. So we have a good question in front of you. Okay, hope you could see the question. So we'll try to answer it. Acetic acid dimerizes in benzene solution. This is a common fact. You should understand this. Okay, acetic acid will form a dimer in benzene solution. The Van Hoff factor for the dimerization of acetic acid is 0.8. The percentage of dimerization of acetic acid is. So here please understand that dimerization it's a form of association. So actually they are asking you to calculate the value of alpha when the acetic acid undergoes dimerization. So here some important points you need to remember. One is we know that acetic acid, okay, acetic acid that is what actually CH3, correct, C double bond O H, correct. So this is acetic acid. So this usually usually form a dimer. Okay. So here main thing is it will do the dimerization. This dimerization will happen. Dimerization will happen in benzene. Okay, will happen in benzene only. Okay. Suppose sometimes they will say acetic acid is dissolved in water. Okay. So acetic acid in water. So acetic acid in water will not dimerize. Instead, it will dissociate. Okay, please remember both. So in water it will dissociate, and in benzene it will what it will do? It will associate. That is called dimerization, forming dimer, associate. So both are different. That is an important point. That's why I am telling this here. Now another important thing. Now coming to here, we need to now understand the value of relation between I and alpha in case of association. In case of association, correct? So here we know that how I and alpha are related. So here I is equal to, the basic relation is I is equal to 1 minus alpha plus alpha by n. This is when association happens. Association happens. So there is a derivation there that you could see when you subscribe the Brainiacs lectures. If you need it, you can contact how it is derived. But the basic fundamental is you have n moles of A. You can think like A. A can be any compound. Suppose think like n moles are there. So when it undergoes dimerization, what will happen is this will form a single compound or single molecule of, this will be this value. Okay, so this value will be n actually. So this value will be n. So there are n particles of A combining to form single A molecule of which contains n atoms of A. You can consider the example as bromine. Okay, Br2. Okay, if you are taking two bromine atoms, it will form a single molecule of Br2. Okay, now let's consider. So you understood what is n here, initial number of particles of uh, acetic acid, that in this case acetic acid. Okay, now we will substitute here. What is the value they have given here? So they have told the Van Hoff factor is given as 0.8. So let's substitute here 0.8. Okay, so 0.8 is equal to, okay, 1 minus alpha, we don't know because this is what you need to find out, degree of association. So in this case it is dimerization, so we say dimerization is a type of association, divided by alpha divided by n. N is what actually? So here they are telling dimerization. So dimerization means what? Two dimer, di means two, so 2 CH3COOH, okay, forming something like CH3COOH twice, forming a single molecule. This is called a dimerization. So n value is 2 here. Okay, so 0.8 is equal to 1 minus alpha plus 0.5 alpha. So if you calculate what value you will get, 0.8 is equal to, this value will become 1 minus 0. Okay, so 1 minus alpha plus point alpha is how much? It is minus 0.5 alpha. Okay, so from this you can calculate the alpha value, that is what they are asking you. So 0.5 alpha is equal to 1 minus 0.8, that is alpha is equal to 0.2 divided by zero point 0.5, that is how much, 2 by 5, so which is nothing but zero point 0.4, correct. But they are asking you the percentage, so the degree of association, so what you need to do, multiply by 100, so this will become zero point 0.4 into 100, that is 40 percentage is the dimerization. So you got the answer 40 percentage. Now let's see in options whether it is given. Yeah, option B. So option B corresponds to the answer. So if you have understood the explanation, please subscribe our channel, and if you need more theory lectures and any support for your NEET preparation, NEET 2021, please contact Brainiacs classes. Thank you.